Hello students, welcome to Surface classes. Today I am going to solve ISI BStat 2019 objective question paper. Now it is question number 20. In the following picture, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with an inscribed circle with center O. Let P be the midpoint of BC. If AB equal to AC equal to 15 and BC equal to 10, then we have to find OP. Now it is the triangle ABC. AB equal to AC equal to 15 and BC equal to 10 and P is the midpoint of BC. Now we can easily see OP is in radius of the triangle. Now we are joining OP, OR, OQ, OB, OC and OA. Now the area of triangle ABC equal to area of the triangle BOC plus area of the triangle AOB plus area of the triangle AOC. Now area of the triangle BOC is equal to half into base BC into height OP. We know in radius that perpendicular to the base. So same way, area of triangle AOB is equal to half into AB into OR plus area of the triangle AOC is half into AC into OQ. Now we know OP equal to OQ equal to OR as they all are in radius. So let us take it as R. So half into BC into R plus half into AB into R plus half into AC into R. Now taking half R common, we are getting BC, AB and AC. Now we have the value of BC, that is 10, value of AB, that is 15, and value of AC, that is also 15. Now here is equal to half. We are taking a page. Then triangle ABC into half into R 10 plus 15 plus 15 into half into R into 40 20 R. In other way we have The area of triangle ABC equal to half into BC and AP half into BC into AP. Now, as triangle ABC is isosceles, so here AP is perpendicular to BC, so AP equal to root under AC square minus CP square. Now AC equal to given 15 and CP equal to half BC, as P is the midpoint, so half into 10 equal to 5, so it is 15 square minus 5 square, so 25 minus 25 root under 200 equal to 10 root 2. Now it is half the BC 10 into 10 root 2. Now area of the triangle ABC are equal, so 20R equal to half into 10 into 10 root 2, R equal to 5 by root 2. So here answer is B. Here the answer is B. So we are done. Thank you.